Newbie Writer's Workshop. Part 5. Settings in a novel. The setting of a novel refers to the time and place in which the story unfolds. It's a crucial element that provides context, creates atmosphere, and influences the characters and plot. Here's a breakdown of how settings function in a novel. Time. Historical period. Setting the story in a particular historical era can shape the plot and characters' behavior. Example: Victorian England. The Roaring Twenties. Time of day. The time of day can affect the mood and events. Example: A mysterious midnight adventure. A sunny afternoon picnic. Season. Seasons can symbolize different themes and emotions. Example: Winter for despair. Spring for renewal. Place. Geographical location. The story's physical location, such as a city, countryside, or another planet, provides context and cultural background. Example: New York City. Rural France. Mars. Specific settings. Within the broader geographical location, specific places like a character's home, a school, or a haunted house add detail and depth. Example: The stone circle in Scotland in Outlander. Social environment. Cultural setting. The customs, traditions, and societal norms that influence characters' behavior and interactions. Example: A strict religious community. A bustling urban center. Political climate. The political environment can create conflict and drive the plot. Example: A dystopian regime. A democracy in turmoil.
Atmosphere and mood. The setting can evoke specific emotions and set the tone for the story. Example: A dark, stormy night creates suspense. A sunny beach day feels cheerful and relaxed. World building. In fantasy and science fiction, the setting often involves creating an entirely new world with its own rules, geography, and history. Example: Middle-earth in The Lord of the Rings. Next, how to develop a strong setting.
Research and accuracy. Ensure that historical and geographical details are accurate if you're writing about real places and times. Sensory details. Use vivid descriptions that appeal to the senses. Sight, sound, smell, touch, taste. To immerse readers in the setting. Consistency. Maintain consistency in the setting throughout the novel, ensuring that the details align with the plot and character actions. Integration with plot and character. The setting should influence and enhance the plot and character development. Characters should interact with and be shaped by their environment. By thoughtfully crafting the setting, you can create a rich and immersive world that draws readers into your story. What's your favorite setting from a novel you've read? There's no time like the present to start your journey. Send feedback and any questions about this lesson or any other lessons to 4ewriters@gmail.com.
Part 6 of the workshop, we will talk about building characters.